How to buy DeepSeek AI agent token. This token came under the symbol of DeepSeek AI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. Go and open this token in CoinMarketCap and copy the token address from here. As you can see, it's under its own network. Go and open your funds wallet, click on swap here. And after that, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token, just click on it. After that, type here how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. In the provider, select one of these, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information and click on swap, and you will be redirected to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token without any issue. And if you face any issues after that, go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or custom it. And after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the DeepSeek AI token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.